Your guests will have to enter at their own risk with the skull door knocker. Stick it on your door and watch their reactions. Turn the skull door knocker on and then hang in your desired location. Press the red button and brace yourself. A hidden snake will pop out to snatch your finger. The skull's eyes will light up as he says one of 3 phrases. The skull door knocker measures 9 inches tall by 5 inches wide and easily attaches anywhere. No assembly is required, just hang and enjoy.